Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. But holy smokes, I got to do some house cleaning here. I've done this analysis many times in the past, but way too many lines. I'm even confusing myself. So yes, all these lines do pertain to the chart still, but in the spirit from a presentation standpoint of not having or not causing confusion because there's clutter with so many lines, I just want to really keep this as clean as possible. So we'll get rid of those and just try to focus on making this as straightforward as possible. Newest update, though, that needs to be done comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the videos from the past couple of days, hopefully you remember me talking about 32 cents as resistance, but now that the price is above there, this would be that, the ideal level of support, meaning by no means it is a muscled level where if the price breaks below it, everything's totally ruined. But if the price can stay up above 32 cents, then that would definitely be a great sign of power. So 32 cents, that ideal level, but taking a step back, and this is nothing new for those of you that have watched the past videos, but I'm going to keep on talking about it because it really is the easiest way to just gauge the overall health of things. And that's the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, as I've said in the past and will continue to say. As this purple line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls are in full health from the big picture perspective. Now, as far as levels of resistance go, I'm not even going to touch on those right now because as it stands, you just want the chart to keep on doing what it's been doing. And what has it been doing? Well, it's just been building higher bases. And as I've said in past videos, as long as the price builds, or I should say, as long as the chart has prices that build higher bases, then when you stop and think about it from a literal perspective, in a charting's case, the chart literally runs out of room for the price to go. It's got to go higher if all the price does is put in higher lows. And it's got to go higher, aka trading lingo, break levels of resistance. So focus on continuing to build those higher bases, staying above that purple line, and then just sit back and let the chart continue to do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.